Good afternoon, class and tutor. My name is John Jairo Duran. The name of the film is Titanic. The plot. The plot is man of the infant love works to young people. Jack's an image artist, an adventurer, and Rose Rick and rich personally. For love, there was sacrifice every social expectation and even light effect. The youngest third of present is their authors speak of the class difference to make them and not overcome them. Allow what solidarity, love for love and find to prepare today. Panic and inward affect are present. Where did you learn about the movie? From these movies is that our traits is the result of many small things that would wrong. A common mistake is to think temporary is the result of the epic make of a simple person. One on my occasion is the result of the sum of various circumstances. Obviously, the Titanic toward so not to have worked binoculars telegraph operation in the working messenger fronts of the speak. Bruce it means the bushing walk of the Titan Pareset Captain Edward Smith to make the Smith travel at the full speed speeder its size, making it difficult to manage. The wire start the link company forced Thomas Andres, archivist of the speed, to reduce the number of the link subtract the detective notebook funky. How did the movie make you feel? It's a very romantic, feel fun of the suspense in the TV. Why it's full of sadness and insecurity and the same time saying we do not what will happen during the trip, what the protagonist will face or the will react to her. They are fed on the occasion with a late at least I would hope the reactor to open. Should a thread be sent the child of missing they might that lead to show a tragic reason. How does the film relate to the academic programs you are studying? It is American films, tagged on main platform with film in the English language and the photos of who have set in several times in what language, with meaning to relate the content in the two language and to develop a more full pronunciation of English. Another thing for the movie could be and could read that the two protagonists WhatsApp and the do told the story. Goodbye.